Good morning, dear friends and families from Room C. I just want you to know that I miss you very much. But I know how much you love Avena oatmeal. So I'm going to make Avena this morning. I just went for a walk. And my daughter is here with me and she likes Avena. I don't like Avena, but she loves it. So I'm going to make Avena so you all can see how I make it. So first of all, we need milk. I'm going to add milk. Then I'm going to add vanilla. Just a little bit. Oh, that was a lot. Like a teaspoon. I'm going to add cinnamon. So we're going to continue. We added the cinnamon stick to the milk. Oops, now I need another spoon. I cannot use the same spoon. We're going to add sugar, and I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Probably you can add more if you according to your taste. 1 and 2. And you can use any kind of sugar. Brown sugar will be fine. Honey will be great. So that's that. Then I'm going to add the oatmeal, Avena. I'm going to start with few tablespoons. And then I'm going to do 4. Of salt, a little bit, like that. Bam! And then I was supposed to warm up the milk first. I forgot, but it's okay. As soon as the milk starts to getting hot, you have to stir, and you cannot stop stirring until you finish. Until it gets thicker. So now that's the process of getting the oatmeal. So now the oatmeal is ready, and this is the consistency you need to have. Also, I used 1.5 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. The rest is the vanilla, the cinnamon stick, salt, a pinch, and that's it. And now it's ready. Put it in a bowl. Now Lucia is enjoying her oatmeal, and do not forget to add cinnamon to the final product. The kids love the cinnamon, so I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for more of my recipes.